Hi there, Joe Machado here with WSIBsettlements.com. Very excited to share with you something that we're going to be launching, which is really going to be a game changer for injured and ill workers throughout Ontario claiming WSIB benefits or appealing for benefits. Just tell you a little bit about myself. I've been involved in the industry for about 30 years now. Also an injured worker. Basically started off wanting to help injured workers get everything they're entitled to receive, and spent nearly 3 decades doing that. In that time, my company has become the largest private firm in Ontario dealing exclusively with injured workers and the WSIB. We've represented over 10,000 families throughout the province, and have been able to secure in excess of $200 million of retroactive benefits as well as future benefits for our clients. During that time, I've dealt with pretty much every level within the WSIB, the executive branch, the adjudication branch, and the appeals division, and also extensive dealings with the Workplace Safety and Insurance Appeals Tribunal. As you may know, over the last 30 years, there have been some significant legislative amendments governing WSIB and how benefits are paid. The first one came in January of 1990 with Bill 162, which really changed the structure of benefits to injured workers from the previous legislation through the 80s. And then, of course, on January 1st, 1998, the implementation of Bill 99, which brought on more complex changes to the system that was already very complicated and not very friendly to the worker. So we've dealt with pretty much every one of those levels, and are fluent in all of the legislative amendments and the policies that are implemented as a result of that for the last 30 years. So we've taken all of that information and experience, and we've created this system. So the first part of our system is the WSIB settlement kits. And so essentially what we've done is we've created these kits that address pretty much most of the common issues that a claimant would have. And we've constructed these kits to allow our customers to be able to, without any knowledge or understanding of the law or how the benefit structures work, but to be able to complete their kit, have it printed, and have it uploaded directly to the WSIB in less than 5 minutes. And I know that sounds too good to be true. It could be a little bit overreaching. Well, it's not. And if you go through our site, you can check it out, and you'll be able to do it and find out for yourself how quickly you can download a kit. It's very impressive. So with that, you're not going to have to give up 25 to 30% of your benefits, whatever arrears or lump sum that you get. You get to keep all of that, because to use any one of our plans, and we have 3 different plans, it'll cost less than a cup of coffee a day for you to be able to do that. So we've created these tools to empower you to be successful in claiming and fighting for your benefits. The other part of the system is the weekly podcast that I'm going to be doing, and so you can view the podcast and get up-to-date information on what's going on with WSIB. Also, I'm going to touch on historical data as to how benefits were calculated over the years, how the different benefit structures would impact one case versus another, especially if you have 2 claims and each of them fall in different legislative amendments. So that can be confusing. So I'm going to touch on a lot of those things in the podcast, and also answer general member questions. The third part is the Just Ask Joe feature, which is available in 2 of our plans. And basically for those who want to have a one-on-one and ask some very, very specific questions to their particular claim, then you can do that through the Just Ask Joe feature. So we've got this whole program ready to go. Like I said, go through the website, check it out, see how quickly you can get a kit done. It's incredibly amazing, and it is going to be a game changer for families of injured workers and ill workers throughout the province. We want to empower you to succeed, to get everything you're entitled to get. And so I'm going to offer you all of my experience, 30 years with lots of success. I'm going to offer all of that. I'm going to give all of that to make sure that you succeed. So thanks for taking a listen. Talk to people you know, friends and family who need assistance, and get them onto this website. Have them check out our products. They're amazing. You're not going to be disappointed. Okay? Take care.